Based on the food web below, which organisms only consume producers for their energy and nutrients? So we need to remember that producers are things that perform photosynthesis, for example. So bamboo, that's a producer. Ferns, that's a producer. Grass, what else? That's it for this food web. And again, going back to the question, it's asking which organisms only consume producers for their energy and nutrients. So we're looking for arrows going from our producers we identified to certain organisms and making sure that they don't also eat other consumers, because that would nullify this condition right here, because it says only consume producers. So let's check it out. This first choice, giant panda, what does it eat? Well, the only arrow going into the panda's mouth is the bamboo. So the panda actually checks out. It only eats producers. What about the grasshopper? Well, the only arrows going into the grasshopper's mouth are the bamboo and the ferns. So it only eats producers as well. That's also true. What about the frog? Well, we see the frog here eats grasshoppers, which the grasshopper is, of course, a consumer because it eats other living things, in this case, bamboo and ferns. So the frog does not only eat producers. So this makes this one wrong. Let's try this one out. The grasshopper, we'll stop right there because we already said the grasshopper does not eat producers. It eats, oops, pardon me, that's a mistake. Just got to take our time on these. I certainly do. So grasshopper does eat producers, so that's a check. The frog, we said that one eats grasshoppers, so that makes this question wrong. Even though the red panda actually does only eat bamboo. Let's go to the vulture, snake, and frog. The vulture actually eats snakes and snails, so it definitely does not feed on producers. This question is already wrong. And lastly, the bamboo rat. It eats bamboo, and it also eats grass. So that checks out. Those are producers. The gorilla, the only thing it eats is bamboo, which is a producer. And the red panda, the only thing it eats is also bamboo, which is also a producer. So all three of these consumers only eat producers and not other consumers, which is the answer here.